Hello, my name is Dafna Ohana. I'm a metaphysical hypnotherapist and an energetic integration conduit. In this video, I want to talk a bit about my work and the process that has taken shape over time as I surrender deeper to spirit and open to higher guidance. I took the higher studies of hypnotherapy as well as specialize in past life regression through the Brian Weiss Institute. My passion from the beginning was to pierce through the heart of the matter, to unveil the root cause of whatever is presented. And so I did a lot of past life regressions. And what I realized within these sessions were that sometimes people go to past event of this lifetime, sometimes they would go to past lifetimes, sometimes they will progress and go to future lifetime, and sometimes in the in-between realm, which is where the soul resides between reincarnations. So you see, in the quantum field, past, future, present all intersect. Timeline is not really happening as we know it in our own conceptual way. Time is actually intersects. So what I came to understand that the intention that I hold within a session is all about addressing in the most beneficial way what is at the table, whatever the person has brought to look at, to release, to be free of, as well as to gain clarity about. And so when we have that at the central intention within a session, it really doesn't matter where we travel in time space. And I've noticed that when we are open in that manner, we really can travel anywhere within consciousness, which makes sense since consciousness and all the web of all that is actually open to us. So when we put no boundary, we are able to access whatever is needed. And so my process became more organic, more fluid, and brought incredible transformation to people, and still does. The other element of my work is energy, and I've started working within the Reiki realm, but more and more lineages of my past, my own past lifetime, my own cellular memory have risen up throughout time. And there is a lot of energy that moves through me throughout the session, whether it's through a variety of collectives that work through me, as I am simply a vessel within this process, within this interaction that takes place between me and another. So the two major things that happen during a session are a deconstruction. We want to release whatever no longer serves our expansion, whatever holds us back from the life we desire to create for ourselves, whatever imprints are there that are out of harmony, out of alignment with who we are in truth. So as we release all these things, we go also through forgiveness work. We can go through clearing bloodline, ancestral wounding. There is a variety of layers that we can move through in order to strip away and shed whatever is there that is holding you back, whatever is there as a way of a density or a blocked, stagnant energy. So we go through the emptying of that, as well as then we bring more of who you are in truth. We make the connections there within your own being, to your own wisdom, to your own higher guidance, to your higher self. We begin to open to your own gifts. Sometimes there is an integration that takes place within the cellular DNA, where certain strands come online, if you will, and you begin to allow a flow of gifts that it's time for you to bring forward and share with the world. So there is a lot of connections that can occur. We can connect with ETs, as many people know them. We can connect with a variety of collectives. A lot of people are familiar with the angelic realm, with Ascended Master. So whatever you are in tune with, whatever you are in resonance with, whatever is beneficial for you to connect with at the moment where we do the session is what you connect with. The energetic part of what moves through me can be in part healing, can be part in integration on a cellular level. We have cellular DNA strands integration sometimes at a session. Sometimes we integrate gifts again through our DNA. We bring up a memory, a cellular memory. And some people like to see it as a cellular memory. Some people understand it as subconscious mind. It really matters not. There is a memory within us that we tune into, as well as deep connection both within our being to do with wisdom, as well as beyond that. The last part of the session, I would say, is to do with suggestion. For me, a session is not an end all. It is a place where we release and let go and liberate your being from anything that holds you back, from anything that no longer resonates with the person that you have become, so that you're able to integrate more into the truth of who you are and tune into all the gifts that want expression through you. In that way, we open space there, if you will, for you to bloom. And so I like to give suggestions before the session ends to that blooming that occurs in you, to integrate the DNA to the highest, most beneficial layer at the moment, at the current junction where we do the session, as well as to connect with higher self, with your own inner guidance, and any guidance from the beyond, whether it's a collective that is a star family or whether it's a galactic connection, whatever it may be. Your own resonance is drawing whatever is most beneficial for you at the session. Of course, I'm the one that holds the space with my own heart intention. And my intention is for you to bloom in the most magnificent ways, because I know that we each have the divine spark beating in our heart. And it's time for us to truly tune in and allow the full expression of the divine through our being. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. There is more information and there is a link to my website below. I'm also creating a series of videos that are speaking to the various shifts and transformation that we are walking through, in hope that it will help us in positioning ourselves and tuning to divine grace. Again, thank you for watching.